Good morning, students. Welcome to Pashwa International School online classes. Class 12. Today we will study about population migration and human development. What do you mean by population travel concept? Humans are a social creature as well as a moving creature. कि ह्यूमन क्रिएचर है वो एक सोशल क्रिएचर है और मूविंग क्रिएचर है. Indeed, mobility is is every stage of the human development has being a basic features of population. Thus, since the prehistoric times, influenced by the various natural, social, and economic political factors, one can be has been moving from one place to another. कि एशियन टाइम के अंदर ही कि पर्सन जो है ह्यूमन बीइंग है वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह घूमता रहता है इन द सर्च ऑफ देयर सोशल है, नेचुरल है, इकोनॉमिक के लिए. That is the way the migration is not seen in the form of a changes in a certain number of a people affecting the general population, but due to the changes in the social and commercial and demographic structure of both the selected phases and dominated places for settling of societies is understood in the form कि मोस्टली जो पीपल्स है वो मूव करते हैं वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन द टेक प्लेस इन द सोशल फॉर सोशल कॉमर्शियल फॉर देयर डेमोग्राफिक स्ट्रक्चर्स के लिए एक्सेट्राज. अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनाइटेड नेशन माइग्रेशन इज अ टाइप ऑफ जियोग्राफिक और द सेपरेशन माइग्रेशन विच कैन बी सीन between a geographical unit and another geographic unit in which the original location of the living or the location of a reach are different. जिसमें उनकी ओरिजिनल जो लोकेशन होती है वो अलग होती है. In this type of migration mostly permanent because it is in the habitation of the human beings permanently changes कि permanently changes उसमें आते रहते हैं. तो migration is a type of geographic migration है. The blogger has defined the migration saying that a human community or a group adopting its place and going to another place of or living is known as migration. A person move from one place to another place is known as a migration. What are the types of migration? कौन कौन से प्रकार के migrations है? In different parts of the earth there is a migration of human classes from one state to another. It is called the migration, the transfer of population. There are two types of migration, immigration and immigration. The process of transmission by which one man moves from one place to another. एक प्लेस से मूव करते दूसरे प्लेस के अंदर उसको इमाइग्रेशन बोलते हैं. जस्ट लाइक यूरोप कंट्रीज लाइक नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया एक्सेट्रा हैज़ गोन कि एक यूरोप कंट्री से वो नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अफ्रीका जा रहा है. Immigration, a process of arrival by which human comes from outer place in a state or other place. As in the North America, humanity has been immigrated from the countries such as Britain. जैसे यूरोप है तो वो नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका के अंदर ही आता है, तो इमाइग्रेशन उसी में जाता है. एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ अराइवल बाय विच अराइवल को जो होते हैं human comes from the outer place in the state or the places that like a example दिया है. The side of human migration can be studied on the various sides as usual. The area of migration duration and the number of people who have minded age, genders, living spices etc are the main. Then what are every population has 5 sides of migration in which different migration is considered from the different perspectives: countryside, time side, due causes side and number side. ट्रांसफ़र के अकॉर्डिंग दिया गया है इंटरनेशनल एंड इंटरएक्टिव, इंटर state and local term transfer, shared and daily, large number, middle number, minorities, permanent and the temporary. What are the types of the transfers according to the countries, times and numbers and instabilities? Country, the parties considered from there the population migration from in which state or the region, intercontinental travels, international migration, interstate migrations and the local migrations are prominent. That means a person move from one country to another, that is included in this area. Then call side, it is used to study long term migrations just like oceanic migrations, daily migration etc. Due to the reasons for the population migration, are considered physically, economic, social, cultural, and the political reasons are measured. Number part on the numbers of the migration, it is thought that the number of migrations peoples coming out of a countries and the numbers of the non-considerable populations coming up from the outside of the country. Stabilities, that means one person are stable in there for their permanent used. Then what are the types? What are the types of migrations? Travel is a mainly between one country to another countries, or from one different regions to the another regions and the same country. On this basis, it is can be divided into two parts, and the parts are that international travel and inland or internal travel. International travel, the word migration is known as international migration from one continent to another continent. The person that is moved from the one continent to another are included in the international travels. International transfers of the people has been mostly due to the economic, social, political, and religious reasons. From ancient times till the present time, main transfers influenced by some reasons. Transfer are currently being done for employment generations. European migrations or inland migrations. European, traveling from one country to another to the northwestern part of the continent is more. People from this region started living permanently through the sea routes from the 12th century to 20th century in many countries of the world. Due to the lack of resources, the continent, and the pressures of falling standards of the living, migrations from here to other known countries to the world. People from countries like the England, France, Germany, Portugal, Spain, Netherlands, etc. on the seashores in the western part of the Europe migrate from the sea route to the country in the Africas. Asia is a continent of the continent. By using this high technique, these peoples are exploit the resources at a very high speed.